In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly create a copy of your information for backup, record keeping, or moving your work elsewhere. Exporting gathers your conversations and related account data into a single downloadable archive, so you have your material in one place. Start by heading to the bottom left of your ChatGPT screen. That's where you'll see your profile icon. It's usually your avatar or initial, and it opens the account menu. Click the profile icon to reveal your options, then select Settings. This takes you into the panel where all your account preferences live, including privacy and data options. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Data Controls. The wording can vary slightly depending on updates, but you're looking for the place that manages your data and privacy choices. Open Data Controls, and you'll see an option called Export Data. This is the feature that bundles your information for download. Click Export Data. You'll see a prompt explaining what's included and how the process works. Read it so you know what to expect, then go ahead and confirm. That confirmation tells ChatGPT to start collecting your data into a single archive. And that's it. There are no extra hoops. The service will prepare your file in the background. Depending on how much content you've created and the current server load, this can take a little time. When it's ready, you'll be able to access the archive through the method described in the prompt. A few tips while you wait. Keep your browser session stable and avoid interrupting any on-screen progress indicators, just in case the interface shows status. When you receive your archive, store it in a secure location. Exports can contain sensitive information from your conversations, so treat the file like any other private document and avoid sharing it publicly. If you only intended to adjust what data is saved or how it's used, remember that those settings live in this same data controls area, separate from exporting. To recap the path in simple terms, go to the bottom left profile icon, open Settings, head into Data Controls, choose Export Data, click Export, and confirm. Follow those clicks in order and you'll have your archive on the way without any confusion. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to double-check where each option appears on your screen.